Okay, good evening class to my Facebook uh, Google Classroom. Um, for recap lang no, regarding dun sa ating previous discussion regarding adjusting entry. So, i-discuss lang natin. Ngayon is yung problems naman. So, counting questions regarding sa theory, tapos problem na, no? Para ma-apply natin yung ating uh, pinag-usapan ng last na video. Okay, so as a recap, so nabanggit ko dun yung mga adjustment, di ba? Pero i-ano lang natin, balik lang tayo sa concept, no? Kailangan, kung bakit ba kailangan may adjusting entry. So, nang una, yung mga accounting concept na nare-review natin doon sa adjusting entry ay kailangan natin itong tinatawag na revenue recognition concept. Yun. Usually, yun yung mga tanong, no? Pag nasa topics tayo ng adjusting entry. So, halimbawa, sasagutan natin to. Revenue recognition concept. So, ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng revenue recognition concept? So, ayan yung choices. Is not in conflict with the cash method of accounting. So, yun ba yung sagot? Letter B, determines when revenue is credited to a revenue account. So, letter C, it states that the revenue is not recorded until the cash is received. Letter D, controls all revenue reporting for the cash basis of accounting. Ang ibibigay ko lang tip, no, kung mag-answer ka ng mga theory is kailangan malaman mo yung kailangan ma-apply mo yung techniques ng process of elimination. So, yung process of elimination is yun yung pag-eliminate ng isang choices na hindi talaga siya yung answer. Na sure ka na hindi yun ang answer. Para pag na-eliminate natin siya, kaunti na lang yung pagpipilian natin possible na answer. Possible na answer. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng process of elimination. Okay. So, yung letter A is not in conflict with cash method of accounting. So, kung matatanda natin, ang cash method of accounting is a method of accounting recognizing an account with a timing of cash involvement. So, ibig sabihin, i-record mo yung transaction na yun kung meron kang cash involved. Kung merong cash involved. Pagkakaalam natin, hindi ganon. No? Pag revenue recognition concept, recognize mo yung ang revenue kung na-earn na. Kahit na hindi pa siya bayad. So, ibig sabihin, ang letter A, hindi talaga siya magiging answer. Kaya pwede natin siyang eliminate. I-eliminate natin siya. Bisaya na. I-eliminate natin siya kasi hindi talaga siya posibleng maging answer. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, tatlo na lang yung choices na pwede nating mapagpipilian. B, C, D. Okay? So, punta na tayo sa D. Sabi nung letter D, controls all of controls all revenue reporting for the cash basis of accounting. Ayan, cash basis lang naman ang tinutukoy niya. Hindi nga ito pag mag-recognize ka ng revenue regardless of cash involved. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng maging answer ang letter D kasi tumutukoy siya sa cash basis of accounting. Hindi pwede. Kasi ang cash basis of accounting, mag-recognize ka lang ng certain account kung may cash involved. Hindi nga yung concept ng revenue recognition. So, ibig sabihin, tatanggalin natin ang letter T as answer choices. So, ngayon, ang pagpipilian na lang natin is dalawa na lang, B and C. So, ngayon, sabi dito, sa C, states that the revenue is not recorded until the cash is received. O, yan na naman. So, suwail yung letter C kasi hindi nga pwedeng magiging hindi nga pwede ang concept na tsaka mo lang i-record ang certain account o revenue account kung magkakaroon ng cash involved. Hindi nga pwede yon. So, ibig sabihin ang letter C, eliminate na agad. So, ibig sabihin ang matitirang answer na talagang final natin ay letter B. So, ganyan tayo sumagot sa mga multiple choice question, lalo na kung theory. Kailangan mo yung techniques na process of elimination. So, ibig sabihin, yung letter B, yun na yung final answer natin. Ano nga ba yung letter B? Determines when revenue is credited to a revenue account. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng revenue recognition concept. Determines when revenue is credited to a revenue account. So, yun ha. So, yung revenue recognition concept, yun yung concept na i-determine kailan ba i-record ang revenue doon sa revenue account. So, ano nga ba ulit yun? Kailan ba i-record yung revenue? A revenue account is recorded when it is earned. When it is earned, regardless if this is paid or not. Regardless when this is paid or not. A revenue is recorded when it is earned. So, kailan mare-record as revenue? Kung na-earn niya. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng revenue recognition concept. Okay? So, yun lang ang tip ko sa inyo para kung paano ba tayo mag-answer ng isang multiple choice.